Hi guys, today I'm gonna be ranking snacks. Here you go.
These snacks, but you can't change.
I'll put that in a solid 4. I like chips. 5, I'm not the hugest fan of macarons. I'll put that in 6. I don't like cheese popcorn. Yo, I'm vibing. I'll put that in 2. I like ice cream. So now we just have 3 and 1. Alright. I mean 3, I like baby carrots.